presence of the representatives from the Electric Vehicle Council of Ottawa who are with us this morning. My friends, green cars are the future. There's no doubt about that. In fact, all modes of transportation contributing to cleaner air are the future. Now, our government has an ambitious plan to reduce greenhouse gases, as you know, by 20% before 2020 by regulating emissions in the country. Canadians' daily transportation habits also have to evolve, including decisions they make about their vehicles. Now, that includes decisions about fleets used by municipal administrators in parks and other low-speed areas, and other low-speed area environments, I should say. Now, my responsibility as Minister of Transport is to play a leadership role in helping to ensure our transportation system is clean and green, but also that safety on our roads is not compromised. L'industrie des véhicules écologiques a beaucoup évolué au cours de la dernière décennie. Qu'il s'agisse de moteurs alimentés au diesel, à l'éthanol ou à l'hydrogène, ou encore des véhicules hybrides ou électriques, on a beaucoup investi en recherche et développement. Depuis, le gouvernement conservateur trace la voie à l'aide de nombreux programmes destinés à encourager le transport écologique. Par exemple, par l'entremise du programme éco-technologie pour les véhicules ainsi que du Centre de développement des transports, le gouvernement encourage les fabricants de véhicules à concevoir et à fabriquer des automobiles et des camions électriques respectant toutes les normes de sécurité qui s'appliquent déjà aux voitures et aux camions traditionnels. Also, the Eco-Auto program was created as part of Budget 2007 to encourage Canadians to buy or lease fuel-efficient vehicles. So today I am announcing that with an updated federal definition of low-speed vehicles, or LSVs, manufacturers of LSV trucks can now begin to market them across the country. These low-speed trucks are designed for uses such as groundskeeping, landscaping, and in certain industrial and institutional settings such as campuses and resorts where they can be operated safely. The marketing of zero emissions electric low-speed trucks in Canada is good news. These low-speed trucks are powered by an electric motor, produce no emissions, have 4 wheels, and drive at a maximum speed of between 32 and 40 kilometers per hour. These low-speed trucks are environmentally friendly and represent one more step in our government's ambitious environmental agenda. While greener vehicles are the future, the low-speed vehicle class was created to be used in controlled low-speed environments where the risk of entering into a collision with a faster-moving vehicle would be lower than on public roads. Now, as you know, road use of LSVs, including vehicle licensing, is a matter for provinces and territories to regulate. Now, several pilot projects exist across the country. The low-speed vehicle truck can now be marketed in Canada, and provinces and territories can decide on their use. So I encourage businesses and public administrators to keep their operations safe and to explore the potential of these low-speed vehicles and the potential, of course, that they can offer for greener transportation without tailpipe emissions or negative impact on local air quality. Merci de votre attention. Thank you very much.